Hello, so Paranormal Cyclist here. So I'm here in a very beautiful park here in a university. So today I think gagawa ko ng session. I'm gonna try to establish a connection with our national hero, Jose Rizal. Okay? So gagamitin ko ang Apidroid Ghost Box. So isa itong FM scanning radio. It is believed or theorized that makakakonect tayo sa mga entities or spirit gamit ang scanning radio. Any scanning radio will work. Okay? So, hello entity spirits, my spirit guides. Gusto ko sanang makikonnect or makausap ang ating pambansang bayani, national hero ng Philippines, even though it's not technically proclaimed, but it is claimed that he is our national hero. Okay, hello. I'm trying to reach out to Jose Rizal. Pwede niyo po bang gamitin ang device na to para makipag-communicate sa akin? I'm gonna start it. Hello. Hi. Magandang umaga, Jose Rizal. Pwede mo bang gamitin ang device na to para makipag-usap sa akin? Pepe, pwede pa kitang tawagin Pepe. Yun ang kanyang palayaw, alright? So, ano po ba ang masasabi ninyo sa mga kabataan natin ngayon? Sila pa rin ba ay pag-asa ng bayan? Joke lang. Hi. Okay. Pepe, meron ka rin bang ibang bayaning kasama dyan sa kabilang buhay? Pwede mo bang sabihin sa akin kung sino-sino yun, yung mga kasama dyan? Sige. Okay, Pepe, kamusta ka na ba dyan sa kabilang buhay? How are you on the other side?
Restack. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi. So, maaaring he's trying his best to connect with us. Ito pa kasi yung first time ko na I'm gonna call him out in a ghost box session. So, Pepe, do you have any messages na gusto mong sabihin sa aming mga Pilipino? Okay, meron ka bang gustong sabihin sa akin, Pepe, Jose Rizal?
Mukaon.
Mukaon. Bisaya na siya. Joke lang. So I think I'm gonna use another method soon. So ngayon biglaan na kasi medyo nag-pop lang siya sa isip ko. Is there any final messages that you would like to say to me? Meron ka bang mga mensahe sa ating mga viewers?
Bill.
Okay. So maraming salamat. I'm gonna close the session in 5 seconds. Thank you. If you came through, maraming salamat, Pepe. I'm gonna close the session in 5 seconds. Paalam.
Di pa ako.
Di pa ako. Okay. Thank you. Okay. That's my short session on Jose Rizal. So in ITC, Instrumental Trans Communication, di natin talaga alam if the one that we're seeking is the one answering to the devices. So simply it is scanning FM radio, so it is theorized na when we do scanning radio, we can, there's some sort of, it can connect to their dimension, to their realm ng mga namayapa. So, okay, that's my Jose Rizal session. I'm gonna do one in the future using maybe another method or maybe another ghost box. Okay, that's it. Paranormal Cyclist out.